Hey everybody, welcome back to the 1991 Bass Tracker Rebuild series. This is the next day from the last short that I did on part 4, and I got excited again and just started unscrewing stuff and getting deeper into it. I didn't like how things were looking as the farther I went, so I figured it was, why not make the big choice now and decision to basically redo the whole thing and make it my way and kind of update everything. Took the live well out and started ripping up carpet. Stay tuned, guys. You're not gonna miss what comes up next.